Hi, it's Denise again. I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to use LastPass. LastPass is a password vault, for lack of a better term, because a lot of my clients, they have some variation of the same password for all their accounts. And I had a SQL guy, SQL is software query language, which is a database programming language. And he knew how the hackers hack into people's account. And he said, if you have a password of less than like 12 characters, and it should be uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special symbols, then they just run programs. And if it has a word in it, like if it has your dog's name in it or your street name, like the street name or whatever, if it has that word in it, they're going to find out your password pretty quickly. And then it's just a matter of a few numbers and a few special characters, because most people use $, number sign, @ exclamation point, percent maybe, and the asterisk or something like that. So it's pretty easy running a program to figure out a password if it has a word in it. So what LastPass does is creates a really long password for you. There's not a word in it. It has uppercase, lowercase, and it's just all mixed up. And all of my passwords are between 15 to 22 characters in length. I only have to remember one password, and that's the password to LastPass. And that's, again, it's 15, I think maybe mine's 15 to 18 characters, I forget. And I have to remember that, and it works on mobile, it works on my laptop, it works on my iPad, it works on my desktop. And they just added a special feature in mobile so that if you're logging into something like in Chrome or Safari or something like that, you can click a button and you have to sign into LastPass and it'll log you in automatically. So, and all of this cost me $12 per year, $12. So it's worth every penny to me because it makes all my online accounts more secure. So from there, I will show you LastPass. I'm going to share my screen. So this is LastPass.com right here. Let me get this out of the way, and you can get LastPass for free. And I already have it, so I'm not going to do it, but you created an account here. And I've added it to, like, if you see this little red bar in the upper right-hand corner. Oops. Let me see. Well, that's not doing it. Anyhow, up in the upper right-hand corner is this little red thing with 3 dots, and that's because I'm logged into my account, so it'll show me, like, here's how I can generate a secure password, for instance. So right here, I tell it I want at least 18 characters. Advanced options, I click here because I like the special characters. And you can see right here is where it created a password for me. And it's unrecognizable. And if you push this little button, it creates a new password. It's so much fun. So we're going to cancel out of that. So, and when you log into it, now I have all my clients in here, and some clients that are no longer clients are still in there. But basically, this is what it looks like. And you can go into one of these accounts. We'll go into, I have no idea what easily does that. So if you go into this, so here's the login. Here's the name of the site. There's the username. That was my old password. And if I would click on this I, you would see my new password. And then you can folder them all. So discard. So you can put them, like I have it, this is for my business, and then I have the name of my client for all my other folders. So this is a quick peek at mine. So I'll go change my password next, right? So anyhow, but so what that does, so when I go in somewhere, like if I was to go over here and if I was going to log into, let's just choose that easily. Now I don't remember what it was. Hold on, let me bring that back up. Because I haven't logged into, I have no idea what it is. EASEL.ly. I haven't logged into this it tells you it's a year ago. So I'm going to log in if it even still has my account. So you see how it populated it for me? There's my username. There's my password. I'm going to log in, and I'm going to find out what this is. Oh, you can do like little visuals. Oh, this is fun. Look at that. You can do visuals. Oh, look, a road process. I get lost in these things. So anyhow, so that's, just probably some free thing that I found out about and signed up for. So it logs me in. I don't have to remember my username. I don't have to remember my password. It's just really nice. So you create an account, and I will show you that on my website. Wait, I can bring this. Where'd my website go? I can bring it over here. It's going to take a minute to come up. I have resources, and this is an affiliate link. I have no idea what I get, but I get an affiliate. I get an affiliate. I think I just get a free month or something. But if you want to sign up for it, you can just go to lastpass.com, or you can come on over here to resources and you can click on this link, and it'll bring you. And that's how they know it's my account, just in case you never knew that. When you have a really long URL and it has something like this after it, it means it's an affiliate link. So, or like they're tracking it through MailChimp or Google. Just a little side note. And that's it. Thanks. If you have any questions, you can just, let me stop sharing my screen. Stop sharing. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email at denise@denisewhiteley.com, and leave a comment on the video down below. I'll put the affiliate link and the regular link down in the notes, the show notes below. And I like saying the word show notes. So thanks. Have a great day. Bye.